Why your first 5 figures is the real financial turning point. Everyone talks about the first £100,000. You hear it everywhere. Save your first 100,000, invest your first 100,000, reach 6 figures. But for many people today, especially in Britain, that number can feel impossibly far away. It's a mountain so high that many people don't even bother buying the climbing gear, almost like a financial fairy tale. I'm Angus Morton, and I'm here to help us both understand our finances better and grow together. No empty promises, no complex jargon, just a clear look at the steps that actually matter. What most people never talk about is the number that changes your life much earlier. A number so small that many people completely overlook it, and yet, once you reach it, something strange begins to happen. Your relationship with money changes, your stress level changes, even the way you think about the future changes. In Britain today, that number is £10,000. Not a million, not even 100,000, just 10,000. It sounds like a small step, but it's actually the most significant leap you will ever take in your financial journey. And yet, crossing that line can quietly transform your financial life. It's not about flashy purchases or instant wealth. It's about the freedom to make choices. It is the first time you stop being a passenger in your own life and start taking the wheel. When your bank balance is close to zero, your brain can't think about the future. It's wired to focus on the immediate threat, the next bill, the next energy payment, the rent that rises every year. You are playing a constant game of financial Tetris, trying to make the pieces fit before the screen fills up. Saving feels difficult, investing feels impossible. But when you reach £10,000, the noise quiets down. For many people, it's 4 to 6 months of basic living costs, a wall between you and the world. A broken boiler, a car repair, a surprise bill. Before, these were emergencies. After £10,000, they become inconveniences. And that difference, small as it sounds, is enormous for your nervous system. £10,000 gives you options, and with options comes one of the most powerful words in the English language: no. No to a toxic boss, no to a job that drains you, no to living conditions that make you miserable. When your balance is close to zero, saying no feels dangerous, but with that buffer, the power dynamic shifts. You are not rich, but you are no longer trapped. Once you reach 5 figures, the financial system starts working slightly in your favor. ISAs, tax-free allowances, investment accounts, these don't matter much when your balance is a few £100s, but they start to matter as your savings grow. Think of your first £10,000 as a seed, small, almost insignificant, but in the right environment, it grows quietly year after year, building roots that weren't there before. And here's the secret: the second £10,000 usually arrives faster than the first, not because you worked twice as hard, but because your first £10,000 is now a silent employee working for you, even while you sleep. £10,000 is the moment survival turns into stability, anxiety into confidence, the future into something you can shape rather than something that just happens to you. So, forget the 6-figure milestones for now. Focus on the first real fortress, because that is the moment you stop simply surviving and start quietly commanding your financial future. How close are you to that first fortress? I'd love to hear your story in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe. Here we talk pounds, pence, and the small lessons that quietly add up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.